Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Are you doing well? So today, instead of shoving horrible things in my mouth, I'm going to be trying something that looks absolutely delicious. We're going Dutch again because I found another recipe while I was looking at the Dutch breakfast cake, but we're going to have to make something called Dutch de Leche, which is, it looks like a caramel, and it's not available in the shops over here, so we've got to make that from scratch, and it's going to take a while. So shall we do it? Shall we? Do you want to say it with me? It's jingle time. So we've got to put the pan on a medium heat and add 50 grams of granulated sugar and melt it up. Talks among yourselves while that melts. It's melted, look, like that. Oh, we add in the butter. Be careful because it will spit, and then we stir it. Oh, it smells lovely. And then we add the condensed milk. Shall we get it all in there? And then you just gotta keep stirring that now until it changes to a nice golden brown colour. Oh, right, so just been stirring for like 5 minutes and it's starting to thicken up, look. Oh, how thick that is. Okay, look. Oh, if you're Dutch and you're watching this and I've done it horribly wrong, please let me know, because this is the first time I've ever made this. Oh, and it smells absolutely amazing, but it's not quite as light as the picture showed. But I don't know if I've done it right or not, because I've got nothing to compare it against. But now we've got to go and make the actual cake itself. Wow. Right, so first things what we need is, we're going to need flour. It says to use all-purpose flour, but I've been reading up on it, and apparently that just means plain flour over here, because we're the only ones that actually put raising agents in our flour. You're going to need butter, unsalted. It says fine sugar, so I'm guessing that means caster sugar. Some salt, some chocolate. It says dark chocolate, but I didn't read that until after I bought the chocolate. So we've got your standard milk chocolate, and also the Dutch de Leche, which we've already made over there. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right and I haven't offended your grandma. So let's get on with the mixing. Right, so you want 200 grams of your fine caster sugar. I've got a lot of lumps in my sugar for some reason. Oh. I'll be right back once I've got the lumps out. Right, so we're back. I got rid of most of the lumps. Hopefully I can get the rest when I finger the ingredients together. And we've got to add the 200 grams of butter. It says it's cubits. So I'll slice her up. Oh, this is a lot of butter. Probably why it's called a butter cake. How do you stay slim if you're Dutch? I don't know. It's all that cycling, I suppose. And the old bicycles. That's why they're so good, isn't it? In the Tour de France and the Olympics. On the old bikes. Right. Get that in there. And then it says whisk it, but I don't have an electric whisker. Maybe if you hit the subscribe button, I'll be able to afford one. But now I'm gonna get the fingers in and we're gonna mix this together, and I'll see you when it's done. There it is, look, the old buttery dough. You could just eat it, couldn't you? Well, we are going to eat it, but we're going to add some more stuff to it first, like 250 grams of the all-purpose flour, and then it tells me to knead it by hand into a dough. I've just washed my hands to get rid of the sugary butter. Oh, and it's done. Look at that. Now I've got to separate it into 2 balls. Are they even balls? Yeah, that'll do. Just like that. Right. So I've got the cake tin. I'm going to butter that bad boy up so it doesn't stick. Usually does anyway, doesn't it? Usually. Go, buttered. And then we take one of your balls of dough, and it says just flatten out onto the base with your fingers or a spoon. I like this kind of baking with your hands. It's okay, there we go, look, that's that. And then we get your dulce de leche. Oh my god, that's how thick that's gone. And you're supposed to sprinkle bits of it onto there. Just, oh my god. Oh, it smells so nice. I just want to eat it all. And then we have the chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? It says it's supposed to chop it. So let's do that. Might have a sneaky one. Are my chunks fine enough, do you reckon? I'll sprinkle this in. Oh, this is going to be amazing. I just know it. Right, look at that. Oh! And then you've got to take this and put this on top of that. So what I might do is try and flatten it out a bit on the surface before I put it on top. Because I'm not sure otherwise if I'm going to be able to spread it that much. Well, am I? No. Oh, there's one edge where I haven't quite managed to get it all the way over. So hopefully it'll be all right. There we have it. That looks amazing. I can't wait to taste this. Let's get it in the oven. It's telling me to bake in the oven for 30 minutes, but it's not giving me a temperature. I usually put things on around 180 Celsius because my oven is fan assisted. So while that is in the oven baking, I'm going to tidy up this crap and I'll see you when it's done. Don't go anywhere. Right, so we've got it out of the oven. Look at this, look. Don't that just look, oh, it just looks amazing. Is it still a bit hot? Let's cool down a bit. Anyway, I'm going to try and get it out now and put it on me rack, which I got from the Middle East. You'll laugh about that tomorrow. Come on. Oh. Right, I'm gonna do the old flippy matrickies. Hopefully it doesn't stick to the bottom. It's stuck to the bottom, hasn't it? Every single time. Don't think it's coming. No. Is it gonna come? Is it? Oh, it's coming. I'll be right back. Oh, doesn't it look lovely? Is it still, yeah, still slightly warm? But oh, it's amazing. It's got a little bit of a grid pattern from the rack, but I'm about to cut into it. Oh, that looks very fat in that butter. Oh wow, look at that. That is dense. Let's tuck in and see what that tastes like. So here we are, about to take the first bite. Shall I go for the crusty edge piece? I want to try and get some of the chocolate and the dulce de leche. Oh wow. I know what's called a butter cake now. Wow, that's a lot of butter. Oh, and then the sweet hit of the chocolate. Oh, and dulce de leche just tastes like toffee. Oh, that is amazing. I don't think you want to be eating a lot of it though, but man, that is amazing. Oh, that was amazing. Really do need to go for a run now though. Oh, thanks you all for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and I'll see you all soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe out there. Cheery bye.